Well, guys, it is absolutely dumping.
Harbor's frozen over, starting to. Just a thin layer. We're gonna break some ice, clear some snow, and get to the troll.
We're gonna catch blackmouth for you guys today, so we won't let you down. We've been shoveling snow, but now it is time to get down to business.
Time to have some fun.
Catch some fish. Stay tuned.
We're clearing clearing some snow off the boat, getting it in fishing condition, putting some fuel in, and then we'll get out of here. Get to the troll. Good day to be on the water.
It's a great day to be on the water. I've never seen it like this. Excellent.
It's
Taylor, you want to give us an update?
well, it's snowing a ton, but it's not that bad. Ice is getting broken up, so we'll see what the day goes. Did the fish cooperate, right?
We'll see. But as of right now, it is dumping snow. Yamahas are on.
Downriggers are on.
Spin that thing back there now.
And it's time to fish.
Boat's cleared off, engines are warmed up, generator's heating up. Made it through the ice, the little ice there was, and this is cool. Never seen the harbor this snowy from the actual water before, so we're gonna head out and give the blackmouth trolling a shot. Well, the Yamaha alternators are working, so our DC power equipment is thriving, but our AC off the generator is having a little bit of issues, but we're working on that right now. Besides the fact, gears down, we're trolling.
The problem is there's no idea.
And yeah, it's winter time. Well, it's a little different than normal. Usually we're out here in the summer, but today we're targeting winter blackmouth. These are resident kings that didn't really leave the sound, or they're just eating now and getting ready to head out to the ocean a different year. They just felt they need to stay. Kind of like resin coho, but for kings. And we're pretty much fishing the deck today. So guys, when we're blackmouth fishing, we talk about fishing the deck. That means dropping your gear to the bottom all the time, because what they're doing is they're raking the candlefish out of the sand. You'll catch them and they'll have little lines on their gills. It's because they're getting down, digging the candlefish out of the sand. That's what they're eating. So what we do is like put the reel on free spool, drop it down where until it gets slack. We do this every 5-10 minutes just to make sure our gear's on the bottom. So boom, right there went slack. Bring it up 5 or 10 feet. And then make sure your line's tight, so if you get a strike, you can see it easily on the rod. And we've been out here for a while now. Got some food, and we'll give you an update when we get some.
Well, guys, we have a fish. I don't think it's very big, but it's something. It's going on a barbecue. I can tell you that much.
No?
No, you don't have to come up.
What brand is he?
Well, guys, we're not quite sure if he's legal or not yet. We're gonna check.
Well, lights on.
Right on, right on.
We got one. A little small. He was
fine.
just under. It is what it is.
It was
We'll get
blackmouth. It was blackmouth.
Boss, you do an update. You never do updates.
Oh, I don't like it.
You're doing an update.
Well, make sure you get some elevation above my face. All that jazz. Well, guys, it was a good day on the sound. I've got one nice shaker. probably about an inch below the limit, so now we are taking our losses. Had a good time, had some good hot dogs. We're wrapping it up, and we are going to do the first ever Salmon Slayers TV ski edit video. Well, guys,
Got a few songs I can tell y'all, boys.
we have the slope set up.
Jeff's going for it.
Killing it.
How much light do we have?
You're clear, still clear.
Really? That's excellent. Well, guys, that was pretty good. Powder's nice. Made some nice turns. And yeah, but we're gonna keep cranking out some nice turns here. Absolutely caked in power.
My sled decided it wanted to go subsurface, but that's okay. Because we came prepared with the Carhartt. Watching this, we would appreciate some Salmon Slayers TV Carhartt sweatshirts.
They make us really happy.
You don't realize how much work we put in to get some of these shots. So if you guys could just do a quick favor, drop a comment, give us a like, hit that subscribe button, and we would just appreciate it because we put in all this work for you. Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Oh shoot!
I did. 190.
Oh shit! That's a big boy, ladies and gentlemen. Well, Nick, what do you think of the snow so far today?
Well, it's precision grade.
We'd like to hear that. Anyways, guys,
And go.
we're signing out here. As always,
Highlights.
tight lines.